Leaders, in today's lecture, we will discuss topic number 6, respiratory disorder. Respiratory disorder consists of various disorders, and the main disorder are bronchitis, emphysema, pneumonia, asthma, and lung cancer. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss all these disorders in detail. First, bronchitis. When the lining of the bronchial tube becomes inflated or infected, the condition is called bronchitis. So the inflammation of bronchial tube is called bronchitis. Bronchitis reduces the amount of air and oxygen that can flow into the lungs and cause heavy mucus to form in the airways. So first, the bronchitis will reduce the flow of oxygen to the lung tissue due to the accumulation of mucus, infected mucus inside the inner wall of air tubes or trachea or bronchi. Now, what are the causes? So the main causes of bronchitis are viruses, bacteria, and other irritating particles. Other irritating particles, for example, dust and pollen, etc. So all these dust particles are the major cause of bronchitis. Now, from the diagram, this is a normal lung and airways, no mucus, healthy lung, and this is a inflated lung and airway, inflamed. The diagram show bronchitis. This is a healthy normal lungs and airways, no mucus and healthy lung, and this is inflamed lungs and airways. So in the inflamed lungs and airways, mucus accumulated inside the inner lining of air tubes. So when the mucus accumulated inside the inner lining or cavity of the air tubes, trachea and bronchus, so the airflow reduce to the lungs tissue, and there will be the difficulty in breathing. Second disorder, emphysema. Emphysema is the destruction of the wall of alveoli. Causes, it results in large sacs but with the less surface area. Environmental pollutants and cigarette smoking are the common causes of emphysema. For example, in causes, it results in larger sacs but with less surface area. The effect of emphysema is that before emphysema, in the normal tissue of the lungs or air sac alveoli, the surface area is a larger. But in case of emphysema, the surface area reduce and the larger sacs are infected. And what are the main causal agent of emphysema? Main causal agent are environmental pollution, dust particles, etc. Cigarette smoking are the major cause or common causes of emphysema. What are the symptoms? So shortness of breath, fatigue, and respiratory infection. Treatment, aerosol spray may help relieve shortness of the breath. Relieve means to give comfort against emphysema. Antibiotics are also used for treatment of emphysema. The diagram shows the overall effect of emphysema. So normal bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. So normal alveoli are circular in shape, round, to form sac-like structures. And these are the alveoli, emphysema alveoli, infected in emphysema. So the alveoli infected by emphysema with dilation of alveoli. So due to emphysema, or destruction of alveoli, the alveoli become inflated. So the air sacs or the alveoli uh, then assume flat shape. So the diagram show the emphysema destruction of alveoli. The third disorder, pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection of lungs which caused by bacteria, virus, or fungi. The most common causes of pneumonia is bacterium Streptococcus pneumonia. This is the species of bacteria which cause pneumonia. Symptoms, basically symptoms of pneumonia are cold, upper respiratory infection, for example sneezing, sore throat, cough, that is followed by high fever, shivering, basically the uncontrollable contraction of muscles. So uncontrollable contraction of muscles. And chill means cold, and cough with the sputum, and sputum infected saliva production. Treatment, vaccines are available to prevent pneumonia. So these are the symptoms: common cold, respiratory infections, sneezing, sore throat, and common causes bacteria, Streptococcus pneumonia. Streptococcus is the genus and pneumonia is the species. So this is basically the type of bacteria which cause pneumonia. Treatment, vaccine are available to prevent pneumonia. Antibiotics are used in the treatment of pneumonia. Diagram show the effect of pneumonia on air sacs. Lungs, normal air sacs or alveoli, inflamed air sacs filled with the fluid. Fluid means that sputum accumulated inside the air sac or alveoli. Disorder number 4, asthma, the inflammation of bronchi that cause swelling and narrowing of the airways, called asthma. So in asthma, first inflammation of bronchi occur and then swelling and narrowing of the airways. Airways means that bronchi first inflame or trachea, and then swelling cause, and third the walls narrow, and then the air block. Causes, main causes, asthma is caused by animal pet hairs or danders, dust in weather, chemicals in air or food. Mold means fungi, and pollen grain. Symptoms of asthma are cough, chest pain, shortness of breath. Treatment, the chemical with ability to delicate the bronchi and bronchiole are used in the treatment of asthma. So those chemicals which delicate the bronchi and bronchioles are used in the treatment of asthma, that dilate the walls of first. Delicate means that after the infection of asthma, after the effect of asthma, the air tubes wall become hard. So delicate means softening effect, and then it dilates so the air can easily pass through the lungs. This is the effect of the drug that delicate and then dilate the air tubes that is used for the asthma treatment. The diagram shows the effect of asthma. Allergens. This is normal bronchus, and this is a constricted bronchus. Dilated bronchus, and this is constricted bronchus. So allergens accumulated. When the allergens, what are the allergens? So the dust particles, the danders or mold or the pollens which cause a constriction of the airways or bronchus are called allergens. So allergen cause the constriction of the bronchiole or bronchus, and then mucus accumulated inside the wall. So these are the constricted uh, constricted airways or bronchus. So constricted bronchus. Disorder number 5, lung cancer. Lung cancer is a disease of uncontrolled cell division in the tissue of the lung. The cell continue to divide without any control and form tumors. So tumors is the mass of cancer cell. So during cancer, the cells of the lungs divide repeatedly with the uncontrollable way, and as a result of rapid abnormal cell division of lung cells, the mass of cancer cell reduce. This mass of cancer cell is called tumor. Now symptoms. The common symptoms are shortness of breath, coughing including cast with blood, and chest pain. So cast means the infected saliva having blood or sputum. Cast means sputum. So infected saliva or sputum with blood and chest pain. Main causes of lung cancer are: cigarette smoking is the main cause of lung cancer, and more than 50 known carcinogens. Carcinogens are the chemicals cause cancer. They damage the cell of lungs and air tubes. Similarly, ionizing radiation and viral infection also cause lung cancer. Prevention: avoid smoking. The government should stop tobacco advertisement to prevent young people from smoking. The diagram shows the effect of cancer on lungs. So this is normal lung, and this is a infected lung. So here lung cancer, tumor produced. This is tumor. So due to abnormal cell division, tumor produced. This is a tumor or mass of cancer cell. So this is all about the disorder of respiration. So if you have any problem, so comment me, I will give answer. Thank you.